On behalf of the company and the fire district, I want to welcome you to our dedication of this beautiful building. The Clarkstown Police Department Honor Guard is going to present the colors. I'd ask that everybody stand. Stand by. Go! Good, yes, go!
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light?
I'm fourth generation of the fire department here in Valley Cottage. My son Kyle, who currently serves as chief, is the fifth generation. So to say it was not only an honor but a privilege to be a part of this project for me would be an understatement. As I said before, the first building was built by members of the fire company. My great-grandfather and his brother were among those members who helped physically build the first firehouse the fire company occupied. My father, along with Chris Clegg's father, were members of the building committee for our second building, which was built in 1972.
I joined the Valley Cottage Fire Department in May of 1966, 59 years ago. At that time, that firehouse had 2 pumpers, 2 bay doors, 1 upstairs meeting room, and a radio room stuff, and a small closet on the ground floor.
Very much appreciate the work that each and every one of you do day in, day out. One of the things that I've always said about the fire service, it's second, third, and fourth generation families that really make the fire service what it is and continue to volunteer and be part of a very critical effort to keep our communities safe.
Every one of our fire departments within Rockland County and within Clarkstown are really part of the bedrock of our community. There are names in these fire departments that go back to some of the earliest founders within the town.
Thank you to all of the volunteer firemen and women who protect us every day, and thank you to the Valley Cottage community as well for really making an investment, long-term investment in a much-needed new building here that will serve the community for many years to come.
This firehouse is more than just concrete, steel, and brick. This firehouse stands as a pillar to your community, representing the volunteers that serve with commitment and pride, protecting the residents, not only in this community, but also the mutual aid companies they also serve.